Okay, good afternoon to everyone. So today we must concentrate on another encryption standard, that is advanced encryption standard here. As far as your syllabus is concerned, so let me open our syllabus for a while. NIE, yeah, this is your syllabus. Um, yeah, so your syllabus is concerned. So look at this. You have data encryption standard, PES, and immediately advanced encryption standard. I thought that Algamal and Blowfish and everything has been given, but nothing is there with you. So after completion of this one, we will see, we will look into matter whether those things will be discussed with you or not. I'll go ahead after completion of this whole unit, okay? So advanced encryption algorithm could be taken approximately 3 hours to complete, okay? So with mathematics also be included while discussing something about advanced encryption standard, and it is very much a very important point we need to remember here. You have a question. You have the question in our final examination also. Okay. However, so in data encryption standard, we have studied what are the different aspects in the data encryption standard. Data encryption standard will be gets operated with initial permutation followed by 16 rounds of a PSL structure, then followed by each round has its own key, and it does operated with a round operation, and finally final permutation could be gets operated after 16th round, then that will be called as ciphertext. Okay, what are the advantages we have studied and how the things are being happening? We have studied, everything has been studied in the previous class. Today we would like to consider advanced encryption standard. So let us take some kind of introduction regarding to advanced encryption standard here. So National Security Agency, that is NIST of US, has been so proposed one particular proposal to the people of world, I mean scientists of world, so to generate new advanced encryption standard in 1997. Up to 96, this data encryption standard has been worked out properly. In 1996, it has been so broke down by the Russian people. So that is why these people are asked to have one more encryption standard. That is, encryption standard will be called as advanced encryption standard here. The news has been released to the public domain in 1997. By 1998 August, in the month of August, so 15 different kinds of algorithms have been submitted to NIST. Okay, 15 algorithms which are not related to DES, so they are not equal to the DES. They have many people have prepared, and it has been submitted to NIST. And after 1 year, exactly after 1 year, so NIST has shortlisted and selected 5 final algorithms. 5 final algorithms. Of course, one algorithm has been prepared by Ronald Rivest, who is one more public key cryptography. So that is RSA, one of the authors of RSA. He was also created one algorithm for block ciphers. Ronald Rivest has prepared, but that was not selected actually. That was not selected as far as the block cipher is concerned. So, however, 5 final algorithms have been finalized here, and out of these 5, finally in October 2, 2000, so our advanced encryption standard was finalized. So the name which was used by Belgium, in Belgium country, the 4 people have, two people have prepared, so which is called as Rindal. Okay. Rindal is the algorithm name which was prepared in Belgium. They have considered it is the new advanced encryption standard. Okay, in 19 sorry October 2nd, 2000. So advanced encryption standard has been finalized, and whatever the algorithm was designed for Belgium, they have taken into consideration. That is the new standards. Okay, right away from 2000 onwards, so advanced encryption algorithm has been used late 2000 onwards. Then followed by November 2001, so it is formally announced and approved in November 2001, formally announced and approved by US federal government. US federal government. Okay, so as AES is the encryption standard, AES will be the encryption standard. It has been taken. So finally, this is the formal approval. Sorry, informal approval, and this is the formal approval. Okay, so that is the informal. What do you mean by how is this? Nago to Sairam. What does it mean? What does it mean? How is this in the sense? I could not get you, Mr. Nagot Sriram. What does it mean? Mr. Sriram, I'll give you a chance to, I'll allow you to speak with me. Yes, I have allowed. Mr. Sriram, yes, talk with me. Talk with me. What does it mean? How is this in the sense? I could not understand you. Who is this Sriram? Could not get you. Could not understand. If you do not answer me, if you do not answer me, I'll remove you. And I could not accept you to enter into my class. Okay. However, I'll remove you. Okay. However, so this is a small history, because while talking something about any topic, based on the particular topic, we have to remind the people whomever introduced, and we have to know the history, how this could be happen and why this could be happen, what are the reasons to become out from the world. This must be taken into consideration. I don't know why you people are chatting something like that. Okay, so however, we will see the things will be how the things will be happen in future, we will see. Okay, however, so now in out of all these proposals, US government has been given some kind of regulations to improve or to implement AES here. Those regulations will be yeah, if I would block the things in the sense, how could you ask a question to me? That is the question. That's what. That is why I have given. Okay, that is why I have given. Otherwise, I maybe block everything. There is no problem at all. Okay. So, however, so they have given some clear rules and regulations here. The rule will be, first rule will be, so the block cipher must be at least taken 128 bits as input. The plain text so will be 128 bits as input, whereas in DES it is 64 bit. Approximately double of this size has been taken into consideration and could be done, could be encrypted. So that is the first restriction which have been taken by, given by US government. And second one is, so it must be operated with 128 kbit, otherwise, so 192 kbit, otherwise 256 kbit. Okay, key sizes will be, so either this one or 192 bits or 256 bits. Either of these three could be get satisfied here. Whereas in DES, as far as DES is considered, as far as DES is supposed to be taken into consideration, so the key size will be 56 bits. Of course, it is 64 only, but the parity bit, a parity dropper will be there. After taking the parity dropper, it has been reduced to 56 bits. Okay, so this is the second requirement they have given to the people whomever submit the papers. And third requirement will be, so security related to other submissions. Let me say, only it could be submitted for only block ciphers. No other things will be taken into consideration here. That is why Revist algorithm has not been selected here. Revist algorithm is a public key cryptography. That is not a private key, otherwise a symmetric cryptography here. Okay, and followed by, it is very easy to, if you implement that algorithm must be easy to implement as for software and as for hardware also. These are the 4 rules and regulations they have been proposed by US government. Based on that, so this is the algorithm which was finalized. Okay, this is the algorithm which was so finalized here. Okay, so Rindal is the algorithm which was finalized. Followed by, look at this, the AES will be seen in such a way. AES does have taken some plain text as input and also produces output as ciphertext. Meanwhile, it could also take in one more input, that is the key. So sizes of each and everything will be taken 128 bit as input of the plain text and provided 128 bit as the ciphertext. And the key might be varied right away from 128 or 192 or 256 bits. Either of these key can be taken into consideration. So that is why it is advanced encryption standard is very, very, very effective when compared to DES. Okay. Then what exactly we would like to consider? What is the overview of this AES here? So AES is almost identical activity which is done by Rindal. Okay, Rindal. And what is the specification here? It could be taken into consideration is Rindal can be a block cipher with key sizes vary between so 128, 192, and 256. But whereas so AES could be gets operated with only 128. It should not be taken these two into consideration. So only 128 has been taken into consideration in 1997 or 2000. Of course, in 2005, these two also included 192 and 256 also included. But in the so basic time, let me say in 2000, so they have been implemented with only 128 bits only. Okay, then followed by Rindal block size will be 128 bits as input for AES algorithm. Whatever the Rindal will be worked out with only 128 bits as input. The plain text must be so 128 only. So here also the AES also be taken the same, and the Rindal will be provided so 128 bit as ciphertext. Same thing will be provided by AES also. Okay, and the key length must be supported by so the requirements of the NIST design. NIST has provided some requirements here. So already I have spoke just before. Based on the requirements, it has been specified. Okay. Then what are the specific items which you have to remember here? So the number of internal rounds. How many number of internal rounds can be done here? For example, if you consider DES will be taken. Data encryption standard will be taken. So 16 rounds as its encryption process, and again 16 rounds as its decryption process also. And each and every round has its own sub key. So round 1 can be taken key 1, round 2 can be taken key 2, sub key 2, and so on. Round 16 can be taken sub key so 16. Okay, in this similar fashion, how the as like as DES or unlike as DES, how the number of rounds will be taken into consideration, and what are the specifications here? So here, key length will be, we have 3 different types of key lengths are available here. First key length will be so 128 bits. So if 128 bits will be the key length and be taken, so 10 rounds will be taken. If it is 192 bits, So if it could be 192 bits, it will be taken so 12 rounds. So if it is 256 bits as key, it will be taken so 14 rounds. Why DES has taken 16 rounds? And for example, if you consider this one, if you consider this particular case, if you consider this particular case, DES has been taken 16. Why it has been go for only 10 in the sense? There is only one reason behind this. The reason is, as far as a DES, if you consider the specific DES, so the input plain text will be divided into two partitions. Okay, this is left and this is right. At one particular iteration or one particular round, single round, only 50% of this particular plain text will be so scrambled or prepared as a cipher. Remaining 50%, probably not this one, left side probably, I'm sorry. Left side 50% will be scrambled and the right side will be so send as it is without any changes. It has been sent to the next round. Okay, only this will be scrambled here and right side will be sent as it is. So therefore 50% of plain text will be so scrambled. So that is why number of rounds will be required. So here if you observe, if the same thing will be happen for a number of, I mean, first round, first 50%, second round, obviously this could be sent to left side and this could be sent to right side and so on and so forth. Here it could be happen. Now this left side will be scrambled again and it will be sent here and it will be sent here. This is the actual process which is being taken into test. So therefore, even then it has been taken 16 rounds. If you consider this whole block will be single block, how many number of rounds have been happened? Only 8 rounds. Okay, only 8 rounds will be exactly 50% of the scrambling is I mean the conversion is happening. So that is why DES is required more and more number of rounds, whereas encryption, sorry, advanced data standard, what exactly it could be done, 128 bits, the key size, sorry, the plain text size will be 128 bits here. These 128 bits will be scrambled at a time in AES. Okay, in AES total block will be scrambled at a time. So that is why so less number of rounds will be required to perform this particular operation. So by AES here, that is the actual secret behind this. Okay, and look at this. That is the thing I have taken into consideration here. In DES, unlike DLs, AES does not use any FISTEL structure. FISTEL is always, already have drawn just before, FISTEL is always taken into consideration of only 150%. So here there might have some kind of round function and there might have some kind of round function. This round function does have some key. It could be taken key 1 as or key I has been taken into consideration. And so whatever the input, it may be taken, one more input can be taken here. Here function, round function can be gets operated, and output of round function will be exclusive ORed with left side item, and this could be taken one more input for this exclusive OR. Of course it could be sent to the right side and it could be sent to the left side. So at any moment of time 50% of data will be scrambled. Okay, FISTEL structure will be seems in such a way. So that therefore it could be seems in such a way. Therefore 50% of the thing will be get scrambled here. So therefore it is I mean after 16 rounds. So actually 8 rounds of so scrambling is being happening. 50% of scrambling is been happened will be considered here. So here, what exactly FISTEL network? It could be, it could not be done. So entire block at a time. It could be done 50%, 50%, and so on. Whereas in AES, it has been done so 128 bits at a time. 128 bits at a time in one direction or one iteration. So therefore, so strength of cryptographic operation will be very high when compared to so the previous one here. I mean AES here. So that is the difference between these two. Okay. So this is today's class, and tomorrow I will consider for Some mathematics have been groups or what is that matrices will be involved here. Let me explain groups and matrices by tomorrow and come back to, so AES back by day after tomorrow class back. Okay, so this is what the class today. Only
Thank you, sir.
only 9 people have attended. Okay, చూద్దాం ఏం జరిగిందో చూద్దాం. Okay, bye.